Fantastic Psyche Up viewers, today we've got something truly mind-blowing lined up for you. Get ready to have your perception of life completely transformed, because in this video, we're diving into 7 shocking psychological facts that will make your life easy. These facts are not only astonishing, but they also hold the keys to making your life easier, more fulfilling, and filled with endless possibilities. So, if you're ready to embark on this eye-opening journey with us, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and let's begin. Fact 1. The power of positive thinking. Positive thinking is like a mental superpower that can profoundly impact your life. It's not just about wearing a smile or pretending everything is perfect. It's about harnessing the incredible potential of your mind. Research in psychology has shown that individuals who maintain a positive outlook tend to experience reduced stress, improved mental well-being, and even better physical health. This is because positive thoughts can trigger the release of feel-good neurotransmitters like serotonin and endorphins, which boost your mood and resilience. Moreover, when you maintain a positive mindset, you're more likely to approach challenges with a problem-solving attitude, enhancing your ability to overcome obstacles and achieve your goals. It's not about denying reality, but rather about shifting your focus towards solutions and opportunities. By understanding and applying the power of positive thinking in your daily life, you can create a more optimistic and resilient mindset that paves the way for a smoother and more fulfilling life journey. Fact 2. The influence of body language. The influence of body language is a fascinating psychological fact that reveals the silent conversations happening beneath our spoken words. Our bodies are constantly communicating, often without us even realizing it. Research in psychology has shown that nonverbal cues, such as facial expressions, gestures, posture, and eye contact, play a significant role in how we perceive and interact with others. What's shocking is that a large portion of our communication is nonverbal, far surpassing the importance of spoken language. For instance, maintaining eye contact during a conversation can convey confidence and attentiveness, while crossed arms might signal defensiveness or resistance. Understanding these cues can empower you to navigate social situations more effectively, whether it's in a job interview, a negotiation, or simply in day-to-day interactions. Moreover, body language can also influence how others perceive you. By consciously adjusting your own body language, you can project confidence and approachability, which can be particularly beneficial in both personal and professional contexts. Fact 3. The science of decision-making. Decision-making is a fundamental aspect of our lives, and it's often surprising to discover just how intricate and biased this process can be. The third psychological fact we're exploring in this video is the science of decision-making. What's shocking about it is that our decisions are frequently influenced by cognitive biases, heuristics, and emotional responses rather than purely rational thinking. Research in psychology has revealed that our brains often take shortcuts when making decisions to simplify complex information. These shortcuts, known as heuristics, can lead to both efficient decisions and errors in judgment. Additionally, our decisions can be swayed by cognitive biases, such as confirmation bias, preferring information that confirms our existing beliefs, and anchoring, relying too heavily on the first piece of information encountered. Fact 4. The impact of goal setting. Goal setting is a powerful psychological phenomenon that has the potential to significantly shape the trajectory of our lives, and it's one of the most astonishing aspects of human behavior. In this video, we're delving into the 4th psychological fact, the impact of goal setting. Setting clear and achievable goals can be a game changer in making your life easier and more fulfilling. Goals provide direction, motivation, and a sense of purpose. Research in psychology has shown that people who set specific, challenging goals tend to perform better and are more likely to accomplish what they set out to do. This is because goals help you focus your efforts and resources, and they give you a benchmark against which to measure your progress. Moreover, the act of setting and working toward goals can boost your self-esteem and sense of accomplishment, enhancing your overall well-being. Whether your goals are related to personal growth, career advancement, fitness, or any other area of life, They act as a roadmap that guides you towards success. Fact 5. The role of social influence. The fifth psychological fact we're uncovering in this video is the pervasive role of social influence in our lives, and its impact is nothing short of astonishing. Social influence is the invisible force that shapes our thoughts, behaviors, and decisions, often without us realizing it. It encompasses a wide range of social phenomena, from peer pressure to conformity and the power of social norms. Research in psychology has consistently shown that human beings are profoundly influenced by the people around them. We tend to conform to the behaviors and opinions of those in our social circles, seeking validation and acceptance from others. This can have both positive and negative consequences. On one hand, social influence can help maintain order in society and promote cooperation. On the other hand, it can lead to conformity, even when it goes against our personal values or better judgment. Understanding the role of social influence is essential for making your life easier, because it allows you to make more conscious and informed decisions. By being aware of the influence others can have on your choices, you can better navigate social pressures, resist negative peer pressure, and make decisions that align with your true values and goals. Fact 6. The psychology of motivation. Motivation is a driving force behind our actions and behaviors, and understanding the psychology of motivation is pivotal to making your life easier and more productive. The sixth psychological fact we're exploring in this video delves into this complex and intriguing aspect of human behavior. Motivation isn't just about wanting to achieve something. It's about the internal and external factors that energize, direct, and sustain our behavior towards specific goals. Research in psychology has revealed that motivation can be influenced by a variety of factors, including intrinsic motivation, driven by personal satisfaction, and extrinsic motivation, driven by external rewards. What's truly astonishing about motivation is its dynamic nature. It can ebb and flow, and it can be influenced by a multitude of factors, such as self-belief, goal clarity, and the perception of progress. Understanding the science of motivation is essential because it equips you with the tools to enhance your drive and persistence in pursuing your goals. Fact 7. The psychology of happiness. Happiness is a universal pursuit and an essential aspect of human well-being. And the seventh psychological fact we're unveiling in this video is all about the intricate psychology behind happiness. What's truly shocking about happiness is that it's not solely dependent on external circumstances, but is significantly influenced by internal factors and mindset. Research in psychology has consistently demonstrated that happiness is not just a result of life events or material possessions, but is also closely tied to our thoughts, attitudes, and behaviors. This means that we have a significant degree of control over our own happiness. Positive psychology, a subfield of psychology, has delved deep into the science of happiness, revealing that factors such as gratitude, resilience, and social connections play a pivotal role in our overall well-being. Understanding the psychology of happiness is paramount because it enables us to take proactive steps to enhance our life satisfaction and well-being. By cultivating positive habits, nurturing relationships, and shifting our focus toward gratitude and mindfulness, we can increase our happiness levels, even in the face of adversity. By applying these psychological insights, you can indeed make your life easier, navigating challenges more effectively, setting and achieving meaningful goals, resisting negative social pressures, and cultivating happiness from within. If you found these facts as intriguing and valuable as we do, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to Psyche Up for more thought-provoking content. We're eager to hear your thoughts and experiences related to these topics, so please share them in the comments section below. Together, we can continue to unlock the mysteries of the mind and empower ourselves to lead more fulfilling lives.